Gorgeous.
Ooh, she needs a shave. No! You nuts? Give me that.
No way!
What's going on?
I've had enough! I know what'll keep you busy! Here!
Whoa!
And?
Whoa!
Done!
Thank goodness. Huh?
Get your dolls a bath. Go!
Whoa, so cool!
What are you doing? What do you mean? It's mine! As if…
Oh wait! I got an idea!
What are you doing? That's not fair!
Loser!
Let's do this.
Let's make a milk bath.
Ouch! Hey!
Oopsie.
This might help. Let's turn this bottle into a bath. Like this. You ready, bestie? Sweet! Now let's glam up your tub with sparkles. Time to wash your hair nice and clean. It feels so good. Many time. Oh yeah.
Oh wow! Let's add some flowers to your tub. Like this.
Now for the soap. Lots of it.
Grab the sponge and scrub away.
Sweet! Ugh, I need to do something. Oh, got it. Yep, this'll do it. Hey, want a bath bomb?
Whoa, that's awesome! Thanks!
No prob. It's working! More than you think. Come here, you're squeaky clean now. Time to dry your hair. Oh yeah. Perfect. Now hold still. Let's get your robe on. Total stunner!
Time to get out. Huh? What's with your skin?
You did this?
Poor thing.
She looks like an orange.
Let's see. Nice. You get a point.
Good job.
We had a little mishap.
No points for you.
It's all your fault.
Ugh, it's not coming off. Now style your doll's hair. Go.
Whoa, awesome!
Ooh, a razor.
Stop. No shaving them bald.
You're nuts. Let's stick some tape on.
What do I do? Let's try this hairspray. Now a ponytail. Like that. Brush it out real smooth. Twist it like this. You'll look fab.
Watch and learn. Like this. Oh no! Let me fix it!
What did you do?
Dang it!
You're so clumsy. Something's missing. What can I add? Oh, got an idea. Let's borrow some fabric. Wrap it like this. You look amazing! Wow!
Ugh, what now? Huh? Where did she get that fabric? What the heck? Thief? But I've got a plan. Look what I've got.
Whoa!
Go get it!
This belongs to me.
Perfect. Let's try it on. Just like that. You look stunning. Sweet. Now let's brush you a bit.
Young lady, what you got there? Give it here and take your seat.
What happened here? Oh, give it back!
Time's up. Show me.
Here's our hairdo.
So cute. Well done.
Yay!
I didn't get to fix it.
Yikes! Not great. But I'll give you a point for effort.
Yay! In your face!
This day's going great. Oh! Eyes up! Time for doll outfits. Go!
Cool! Which look to pick? This fabric's perfect. First, cut a little hole. Like that. Now slip it on. Nice! Let's trim the bottom. Careful. Now let's stitch. Layer this piece and sew them together. Careful. There! Nailed it! Dress starts with a sketch. It'll be the prettiest ever. Done! Now we build it. First the fabric. Then this cute belt. Add some pearls on the belt. Like that. Now some flowers. Wow, so pretty! I like it! Awesome! Oh, no accessories for us! Wait, I've got it! Let's stick this butterfly right here. Done! Nice!
Alright, what have you got?
Here, check it out!
Wow! Not bad!
Yay!
And this one? Also amazing!
Really? Hugs! High five works too. You ready?
Oh, I feel awful. Let's do shoes. Achoo!
Whoa! This cardboard might help. Yep. Trace the foot shape first. Then cut it out. Like this. Now cut bigger fabric shapes. Perfect! Wrap the soles with fabric. Done! So cool! Ugh, how do I keep them on? I've got a plan. This clay is perfect. But first, outfit change! Now roll up some clay balls. Stick them on the feet. Like this. Set the timer. Now wait. So boring. Roar! Finally! Let's go! Too much. Grab smaller tools and chip off the extra. Like this. I'll borrow this thread. You don't mind. Phew! All done! Now wrap around the edges, then pop on this little circle. Great! So pretty! Time to add some color. Just like that. They turned out awesome! Look at her!
Huh? Where's my sweater? Alright, showtime!
Here, it's done.
Great!
Me too!
Wait, is that my sweater thread?
Uh-oh.
Very bad!
Please no! Oh, don't be sad.
Now it's accessory time! Go!
Whoa! So much stuff! Let's start! Thread the needle first. There. Carefully add the beads. Nice and easy. Awesome! Now tie it up. So thirsty. Oh yeah! Now let's mark some circles on the fabric. Cut out the shapes, then fold them. Now carefully stitch them together like this. Wow! Perfect! Your fancy hat's ready, girl! Just need some sparkle now. Wow! I love it! You look amazing! Let's try this on. You ruined it! Oh no! She needs help. Got it. Here, use this.
Huh? Really?
Uh-huh.
Thanks. Let's see if it fits.
Totally fits.
Yay! So cute.
What?
Time's up. Show me.
Here, like it?
Wow, super cool. And yours?
Necklace.
So cute. Nice job.
We made it! Let's play now.
You look fabulous. You too.